Well, I think I'm all ready for our warmer climbs as we head 2 hours north by air to the Gold Coast to take the SUS with us and to fly it up there. So it's a totally packable plane by the looks of it. Wings and body in there, wings over here, and it's easily disassembled and put together again, ready for a flight up on the beach in the warm north in Queensland. So let's pack and get it ready for our flight tomorrow. Well, everything survived the 2 and a bit hour flight right up north here in Queensland, and it looks great and ready to reassemble and fly. This is the Pacific Ocean, and we're here right on the beach in Queensland, New South Wales on the border, and it's a beautiful ocean beach. Everybody is fishing by the looks of it, and as you can see, as far as the eye can see, way down there that bump is Byron Bay, and way up this way you've got, and around the corner is Tweed Heads and Coolangatta. But today we're going to fly the beautiful little aircraft I brought with me on the plane, and we'll take it for a spin right now. A gorgeous evening to fly. And we're down. Absolutely wonderful in a fairly stiff breeze. When it comes in land, it just pops down just like a helicopter. Well, the end of a great break. I've really enjoyed my time here. It's been terrific to come along to the Gold Coast in Queensland, to fly this plane at several different beaches along the coast, and to just have fun and show you exactly where our playground is here. Enjoy the day, and we'll see you in the next video.